Are you looking for the best mechanical keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best mechanical keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. SteelSeries Apex Pro Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The best mechanical gaming keyboard we've tested is the SteelSeries Apex Pro. While we purchased the full-size variant with a numpad, it's also available in a 10 keyless format if you want to free up more space on your desk. It's a wired-only model packed with features to cater to hardcore gamers, including RGB lighting, macro-programmable keys and exceptionally low latency. It comes with SteelSeries proprietary OmniPoint switches, which allow you to change the pre-travel distance on each key individually. This means you can set the pre-travel distance lower while gaming for a more responsive experience, or you can set the distance higher for better typing accuracy. The OmniPoint switches have a linear feel to them as well, so they'll feel very smooth, but they won't provide any tactile feedback when a key's been registered. Although the keyboard comes with a comfortable wrist rest, the wrist rest is a dust magnet, so you'll have to keep it clean consistently. Also, its keycaps are ABS rather than PBT, so they're more prone to developing shine from finger oil. With that said, it's a very high-performing model that's a great choice if you're looking for a mechanical gaming keyboard. Number 2. Kinesis Freestyle Edge RGB Ergonomic Mechanical Keyboard. If you're looking for a mechanical keyboard with an ergonomic design, you'll want to check out the Kinesis Freestyle Edge RGB. It has a split design that may take some getting used to, but you can arrange either half to the angle and distance you prefer on your desk. Both halves also have a comfortable, detachable wrist rest to help prevent wrist fatigue. We purchased our unit with Cherry MX Brown switches which provide great all-around typing quality. However, you can also get this keyboard with linear Cherry MX Red or clicky blue switches if you prefer. While this keyboard excels in an office and productivity role, it also has several gaming-oriented features, including full RGB backlighting, macro-programmable keys, and dedicated customization software. It also has low latency compared to similar keyboards. Unfortunately, the keycaps are ABS plastic, and although they have a matte coating that gives them a slightly more grip, most users are likely to find them less satisfying than PBT keycaps. Also, this keyboard doesn't have any incline settings despite its overall ergonomic focus. However, you can buy a lift kit separately. Aside from these minor shortcomings, this is a great ergonomic option for anyone needing a mechanical keyboard versatile enough for productivity tasks and gaming. Number 3. Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. If you're looking for a wireless option, the best wireless mechanical keyboard we've tested is the Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro. It connects wirelessly using either Bluetooth or its dedicated USB receiver, and you can pair it with up to 3 devices at once over Bluetooth, which is great if you're looking for a keyboard to add to a multi-device work or streaming setup. The board has 2 incline settings to keep you comfortable and comes with a detachable, plushy wrist rest for added support. It has one of the lowest latencies we've tested over a wireless connection, making it an excellent choice if you're looking for a board that can handle even the most competitive games. You have your choice of clicky Razer green or linear yellow switches, and the green ones we tested are light to press and provide good tactile feedback, though they're a bit loud. Also, the companion software is user-friendly and allows you to assign macros to any key and customize the RGB backlighting. Unfortunately, the software is only available on Windows. However, it has onboard memory, so if a Mac device is part of your setup, you can still access your saved settings on the board, even when you switch devices. It's also a bit bulky, so it's not an ideal choice if you're in a cramped space. That said, if you're looking for a wireless gaming option, this is the best we've tested. Number 4. Obinslab and Pro 2 Compact Mechanical Keyboard. The best compact mechanical keyboard we've tested is the Obinslab and Pro 2. Compact sizes are gaining popularity, especially among gamers who may not need as many keys and among users with smaller desk spaces. This is a compact 60% gaming keyboard that feels very well built, and has a stylish design that's likely to fit nicely into most setups. It also has remarkably low wired latency, full RGB backlighting with individually lit keys, and you can program macros to any of the keys using the customization software. The keyboard is available in a wide variety of switch options. We purchased our unit with Gateron Brown switches that provide good tactile feedback and excellent typing quality. You can connect it wirelessly via Bluetooth, but this is only recommended for productivity tasks and everyday browsing as it has much higher latency when using it wirelessly. Unfortunately, the keyboard is a little tall, and the lack of incline settings and an included wrist rest means that your wrists may get tired from using it for long periods. Also, as a 6-0 sign, it lacks dedicated arrow keys, which might be a deal breaker for some. All in all, this is an extremely versatile choice for gaming, productivity, or mobile use that won't take up much space on your desk. Number 5. EVGA Z15 Budget Mechanical Keyboard. The best budget mechanical keyboard that we've tested is the EVGA Z15. Despite its budget price point, this full-size board is packed with features found on more premium boards, including onboard memory, dedicated media keys, and the ability to assign macros to any key. It also feels very well built and has a brushed metal backplate that feels very sturdy. Its latency is exceptionally low, meaning it's more than able to handle any genre, from fast-paced first-person shooters to casual simulations. The clicky Kale Speed Bronze switches in our unit feel light to press and provide good tactile feedback, and you can also find this board with linear Kale Speed Silver switches. Surprisingly, it's also hot swappable, meaning you can change out the stock switches for any others of your choosing without soldering. It also has great RGB lighting, and all keys are individually lit, so they're very visible if you prefer a dark environment. Unfortunately, the ABS keycaps are prone to shine from finger oil, and they don't feel as nice as PBT keycaps, but this is normal for a budget board. Also, it comes with an included wrist rest, but it's made of hard plastic, which you might find uncomfortable. That said, it's an excellent board if you want premium features, but don't want to break the bank.